We've heard people say that we don't have a voice in patient care or that we're not leaders in the healthcare field because we're just nurses. But in honor of National Nurses Week, we nurses have something to share with you.
Advocate and a lifesaver.
I help calm grieving family members.
I care for your loved ones.
I'm someone who's there when they can't remember.
I help people make it through difficult times.
I can put smiles on my patients' faces.
I'm the heart and soul of healthcare.
I promote health and wellness. I'm an advocate.
I'm a humanist.
I give my patients a voice.
I make my patients laugh.
I'm a friend.
I'm a patient advocate.
Take care of some of our nation's treasures.
We make a difference.
I am the one that holds your loved one's hands when they are dying.
I take care of people.
I care for my patients.
I provide the care that these patients need.
I'm a patient advocate.
I change the world.
I'm a holistic practitioner,
Compassionate. I'm a friend.
a caretaker,
Loving caregiver.
healer.
A manager.
Advocate.
I am a nurse.
There is no such thing as just a nurse.